Hello everyone, we are again back with a new video, and in this video we will be learning how to create an m cross n matrix in MATLAB Simulink. So we will start by creating a new MATLAB model. We have already created MATLAB model with name matrix, and we will be creating two major blocks for creating an m cross n matrix. The first one will be the reshape block, which is available in the math operators. So let us first dive into it and see what are the parameters here. So we can select four options here, five options here. So one is the one dimensional array, a column vector, a row vector, and a matrix with a specified dimension. So we will be using customized dimension. So let us select a 6 cross 4 matrix. This will be the number of rows and it will be the number of columns. So we have 6 rows and 4 columns in our matrix and total 24 elements. The input to this reshape operator we will be giving using mux operator, mux block, and the number of inputs to this mux block will be 24, as we have 24 elements in our matrix. The input to this reshape operator will be given by the output of this mux operator, and the input to this mux block should be column wise. So we will be giving first column, then second column, then third column, then fourth column. So let us consider an example of matrix that we want to create. So this is the matrix that we want to create. Its first column is 2 3 5 7 15 6. So we can give them using some constant block. We'll put it here. First let us create constants for all the inputs. Now we can assign the values to these constant blocks. So it is like first column, so 2 3 5 7 15 6, 3 5 7 15 6. So this is our first column. Likewise we can give second, third and fourth column here. We are done by creating the matrix. So here we have given the input as column, first column, then second column, then third column, then fourth column. The output of this matrix, whether we have created the correct matrix or not, it is in correct order or not, we can verify by using the display block here. We can connect its input to the output of the reshape block, and now let us run it. We can see that it is in the same order that we wanted. So it is 2 3 5 7 15 6 5 6 1 3 9 54 7 54 5 21 45 69 13 26 74 65 12. So in this way we can create a matrix of any order, and we have given here input as some constant values. Instead we can give some signal values to the input of this mux block, and we can create the matrix of those signals. So this kind of matrix we require usually in like power calculation, especially for negative sequence power and active and reactive power. So we will be requiring a 6 cross 4 matrix that will be multiplied with a 4 cross 1 column to get our all the powers. So let us try multiplying this matrix. So we will be using matrix multiply block here, connected to its input, and then a 4 cross 1 matrix we will require. So let us create here mux block here, input 4, and then input to this, then this, and then again a display block to see the output. within, sorry, we have left reshape block here. This reshape block should be set to column vector. Now we can run and see the output. So this is the output of our multiplication. We can verify it by using the MATLAB editor, creating two matrices and multiply them. The result will be the same. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.